Welcome back all programmers once again. So in the last program we have learned how to create a text file, and we have created that file myfile.txt, right? So now in this program we are going to learn how to count the total number of words we have entered in that file. So our file remains same, myfile.txt. And if you have not seen how to create this file, I am going to give the link of that video in my description box. You can go and have a reference there. But I will request you, before watching this video, you watch that how to create a file, then only you can understand. Okay, so already by file, our file is there in txt mode, and we have already created data. Number of lines are already there, so we need to open this file in read mode. So let's take a file variable. So that same x, I'm going to take x equal to, I am opening it, open. Then I am going here. What is my file name? My file dot txt, right? Then I am going back here. I'll open this one in read mode because I do have to print only, and I have to count the total number of words. So my file is being open in read mode, right? Now what I'm going to do, I am going to um, make all the contents of the file, okay, in a variable, understand? So I'm going to extract all the contents and I'm going to put in a variable. Okay, so I'm going to write here, let's suppose I'm going to write here y is equal to, I'm writing x dot read. Okay, so it is going to read from that file, and all the contents will be placed where? In RAM, random access memory, for processing. Okay, then I need to split this file into each word. For that we are going to use split function. So I'm going to make here, let's suppose I'm going to make a variable. Let's suppose z is the variable. Z is equal to, I am writing here y dot split. Okay, so what I did here, you see this second line, y is equal to x dot read. I taken all the content of from my file and I place there where? In random access memory, so that a version of my file will be there in RAM. And in RAM I had splitted it out. Each it is not my file is not there in line by line, but word by word, and I kept in a variable z. So z is of which type? List type. Okay, variable. Y is of which type? List type variable. This y and z both are of type list type. Okay, so I am going back now here. Now let's start the program. Let's count how many words are there in that. For that I am going to take an arbitrary variable. Let's suppose I am going to take here c is equal to 0. I took, I will count. And now let's have a loop. I'm writing here, you see, for I is a variable, I in z, because z is a list and that list contain total number of words in that. So I'm going to make it here. Then I'm writing here c equal to c plus 1. I'm going to print, sorry, I'm going to count how many words are there, like that. Okay, then I am going back down here. Okay, and it is also asking me to print it out, no? So either I can print it here, or either I can print, suppose I'm going to print z here. I can also write like this way, you see, print, and then I am going to write here z. So z is going to be printed in list form. Your words are there. Okay, but now I want to print all the word one by one. That can also be there, but you can also do it here also. We are making that for loop here. So inside you go, you count it first, or first I am going to have a print it out. I am going to write here print. I am going to write here I. It is going to print I, and here I am going to write one tag here. You see print, and one prompt I'm going to write here. You see, what is that? Here I'm going to write here the words are. Okay, so one by one these words are going to be, and I'm going to write here slash, and it will go to new line. Okay, or automatically I think this word will go to new line, so nothing to worry about that. And after this one writing, I am coming out of that, and I'm going to have a print command. You say print, and then I'm going to write here let's have a sentence here that there are how many, you see I am giving here C, then I am going to write here words. There are total number of C words in my file. There are 13, 14, 15 words in my file. Okay, so done. So this is the method to split a file into word, and then we can easily manipulate a word. Right, so let's run this program. I'm going to run this program. I am going to run this module, and it is asking me to save. I'm going to write here split count word. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. Okay, it is running here, you see. And if you have checked it out, you see the words are, you see, have a proper time management, do physical exercise, be positive. See, I had printed these all things in word by word, and it has counted there are 25 words in my file. Is it right? Okay, so you can access it out. So try this out in your Python properly. Okay, all right. Okay, try now or fail later.